Are you looking to shed some extra pounds and boost your overall health? One delicious and easy way to do that is by incorporating smoothies into your diet. Today, we're going to share with you some simple and nutritious smoothie recipes that can help you achieve your weight loss goals. Let's start with a classic green smoothie. This recipe calls for spinach, kale, banana, and almond milk. The leafy greens are packed with vitamins and minerals, while the banana adds a touch of sweetness. Blend it all together for a refreshing and nutrient-dense drink that will keep you feeling full and satisfied. If you have a sweet tooth, try a berry smoothie. Combine mixed berries, Greek yogurt, and a splash of coconut water for a tasty treat that's rich in antioxidants and protein. This smoothie is perfect for a quick breakfast or a post-workout snack. For a taste of the tropics, whip up a tropical smoothie with pineapple, mango, coconut milk, and a scoop of protein powder. This creamy concoction is not only delicious but also helps to build and repair muscle, making it a great option for those looking to tone up. Lastly, indulge in a chocolate banana smoothie for a guilt-free dessert. Blend together cocoa powder, banana, almond butter, and almond milk for a decadent and satisfying treat that will curb your cravings without derailing your weight loss efforts. These easy smoothie recipes are a convenient and delicious way to support your weight loss journey. With the right combination of fruits, veggies, and protein, you can create a satisfying meal or snack that will help you reach your goals. Cheers to a healthier you! For more recipes and tips on healthy living, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.